Hey there, Star Stitchers. I'm Kristen from IC Stars Quilting. I just wrapped up the incredible Houston International Quilt Festival, and in today's video, I'm going to give you the full down low on what's happening. I'll show you what made this year's show so unforgettable, from the stunning quilts to the hardworking vendors and to a moment that pushed me way out of my comfort zone, plus some really fun little goodies that happened along the way. Honestly, it was everything that I didn't know that I needed, and I love coming to this show year after year. I know I'm extremely blessed. I'm extremely lucky. I live in the area, and so I get to go to this show every single year, and it is such a highlight for me. Every single year this show blows me away, but this year felt extra special. There was over 1,100 quilts on display. There were 33 exhibits. I mean, that is a lot of beauty packed into one place. The halls were filled with more than 250 exhibitors with 575 plus booths of pure quilting temptation, okay? Shopping, fabric, notions, machines, long arm machines, all of that good stuff was packed into one place. And it is estimated that around 55,000 quilters come through those doors every single year. And when you're in the middle of that buzz, yeah, it's crowded, but it is pure magic. This year marked a really big milestone for me. I gave my very first lecture at Festival, and let me tell you, I was so nervous beforehand. Hopefully, if you were in that lecture, you couldn't tell. I'm guessing you probably could tell though, but it was incredible. I looked out and I saw so many warm, encouraging faces, and I realized that this right here, this is what I love to do. I love to connect, to inspire, and to grow alongside this amazing community that we have, the artistry that connects us all. And you know what? I loved speaking, and it's a pretty darn good thing because I will also be teaching again at QuiltCon 2026 in Raleigh, North Carolina. So if you missed me this time, come say hi to me next year in Raleigh. I would love to see you. All right, let's talk quilts, because oh my stars, the talent on display this year was unreal. I saw bold color work, teeny tiny piecing, emotional storytelling, and techniques that just made my jaw drop. I actually made an entire separate video that I've already posted that features pictures that I took of every single quilt from the show, set to some beautiful background music. So if you want a peaceful virtual scroll through the exhibit halls, I'll link that for you right here at the top of the screen and also down below in the description box. But if I had to pick a favorite while I was at the show, which is a very hard thing to ask of somebody, but I really loved this quilt right here. And I actually went in one of my live videos when I was showing the winning quilts, and I went through and I showed why I loved this quilt. There was so much texture, so much creativity, so much extra that was put into this quilt that I stood and I stared at it for like a really long time. It was just absolutely incredible. But really and truly, like, every quilt that was on this floor deserved to be there. And we can't forget about the vendors. Y'all, these folks work so hard to bring their best every single year. From mom and pop quilt shops to new tech tools and long arm services, long arm companies, every single aisle had something that made me stop and go, oh, I think I need that. So if you are a vendor this year, I want to tell you thank you. Seriously, you help keep this industry alive and thriving, and I don't know if you hear it enough, but thank you. Because of you, we get to see all of these amazing things. Because of you, we get to make all of the amazing quilts that we love making. One of the coolest moments for me at this show, I finally got to meet Rob Apel. He is every bit as kind and genuine as you would imagine. Every time somebody stopped me to say hi or told me that they follow my videos, You have no idea how much that means to me. This isn't just about the content or fabric or just having a YouTube channel. It is about connection for me. And this community right here, this relationship that you and I have, it's the heart of it all. So if we met at Quilt Show, or you waved at me, or we shared a smile, or you came to see my lecture, thank you so much. You made my festival experience even more special. Of course, you know I couldn't leave without doing a little shopping, right? Okay, maybe it was a lot of shopping. Okay, this right here is my drop zone for when I came home from festival and I just put all of my shopping bags in one spot. So if you want to see what I brought home from festival, I will be sharing the full haul of everything that I got in the next video. So make sure that you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss it, and you don't miss all the other fun quilty things that I share. Spoiler alert, there is some really pretty stuff in there that I am so giddy about sewing with. So that right there is my 2025 Houston Quilt Festival wrap up. There's so much joy, so much inspiration, and yeah, maybe some sore feet, but it was absolutely worth it. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel to join the Star Stitcher crew here on YouTube. We've got so many more fun projects and tutorials coming your way. Let me know in the comments, did you go to Quilt Festival this year? Is it on your bucket list for another year? Do you have another favorite show that you love to visit? And as a quilter, if you are looking for even more connection and weekly support on your quilting journey, come hang out with us inside the Stitch Sister Inner Circle. It's where the real magic happens. Those relationships form and amazing things are just waiting for you. So I will drop that link down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, keep shining, keep stitching. You're doing amazing. I love you. Have a great rest of your day. I'm Kristen with IC Stars Quilting. I'll see you later. Bye.